So I wanted to share how cute this year's Easter baskets turned out, give you some ideas in case you're doing Easter baskets for homebound and also bound home residents. So there they are all done. My sister's really good at the cellophane and found we found this little picture online and made the tags out of it. Here they are, some of the ones that are not cellophane yet, so you can see better. Eggs with candy in it, some chocolate, little decorations we found on Clearance. This is from Dayspring. We actually found on Clearance over Christmas. It says Rejoice in Hope. We thought those are a really nice thing they could use for a long time, but was also very appropriate for Easter. These are actually eggs that toys came in we didn't need. And so you can see just a lot of different snacks. There is an Easter bunny in most of them. The word find for those who we think can do it, we're not sure, but it does help hold everything in place. And there'll obviously be a card in it signed by the class once we get that signed. And just all sorts of different snacks and candy. That's not a great selection of this chat thought into what we selected. It was just what people donated or we had left over from church functions. But it turned out to be really great, like soft variety of stuff and really fun Eastery things. So, and here's an idea if you're trying to find some more budget for your ministry. If over Christmas you give gifts to people that they don't really need anything else and you'd like to give them like a ministry type gift or whatever, that's how we bought these. We gave a card to a few people and said, in your honor, we bought these cards to, cheer up our homebound at Easter or whatever. So, anyways, I hope this maybe helps you and you enjoyed. I'd love to hear what you put in your Easter baskets. The seniors always looking for new ideas.